Traveler, Paimon. Your faces say that perhaps you haven't turned up anything?
We investigated all over the mountain, actually. But we didn't see anyone that looked like you or hear of anyone else meeting you.
This is not unexpected. I haven't made much progress either. He appears to know that we are looking for him, and has opted to lie low for the time being. Still, there is one thing I found. I discovered footprints on some parts of the mountain, and although they were a little covered by the snow, I could tell they'd been left by someone of a similar... The footprints...
We can help with that, so now we... Ah! What was that?
It came from that direction.
Could it be the imposter? Yes, let's hurry. Rocks? Ah! And what are these boys also doing here? Hey! Did you see that? Did those rocks shake just now?
That was most unfortunate.
What are you guys doing here?
I have to agree. We've been wandering this area for days.
We ran into Pallet earlier. You know, the, kind of a reckless sort of guy. You know the one? Anyway, he said he was unlucky, so I gave him some adventuring survival tips.
After that, he disappeared to rejoin the training camp.
Wait. Are you saying that after all this time you still haven't made it back to the base camp?
Well, as you can see...
It was nothing really. We just hit a few landslides and snowdrifts and took a few downhill tumbles. You know the deal.
They sound like unforgettable life events to me.
Anyway, you're correct. We haven't made it to the base camp yet. We have had extraordinarily poor luck over the last few days. Almost as if a sinister force has been trying to thwart our every move. Fortunately, I made advance arrangements for Gerald to remain in a safe location and conduct some basic physical training exercises.
I'm sorry. I'm the one to blame for all this. I've always had bad luck and it always rubs off on everyone around me. Sorry to create so much extra trouble. I don't know what to say. Maybe this is the
I agree.
Yep, we're just used to it.
Really? I think you...
Well...
You're welcome to a bit of mine too. Although if the last few days...
You guys... Oh, thanks.
Yeah, you bet!
Let me flip a treasure hoarder insignia to...
So you can predict...
It has two sides. So luck all comes down to guessing wrong when I flip an insignia.
Hey, he's making no sense at all. Why aren't you calling...
Guys, I guessed wrong in my insignia flip. Which means we should be able to... Let me try. It's this way, right? Oh! Ow! My butt!
What? Ouch.
I don't usually believe in luck, but Bennett makes the best case for it I've ever seen. Amber, if you are ever required to partner with Bennett in your future work and you encounter anything like this again, do not take any rash action. Wait for me.
Huh? Yes. Now that you mention it,
Well, since everyone...
Paimons!
Amber will follow.
Here we are. Make yourselves comfortable. Oh, I forgot
What's he doing?
he is.
He's painting a chair. Wait, Alchemy can turn paintings into objects? How is this possible?
My paintings are like blueprints. Alchemy simply enables me to emit with enough research.
Whoa. Well, since you can magically
No problem.
Me!
Me!
I'll also take one with a backrest, if you please.
Can Paimon have a chair that comes with a juicer? Still beats squeezing onto a stool with you.
Cool, we have chairs now! This is so
You're very welcome to stay overnight if you... There's still some time before dinner.
Hey now, we can't be letting you...
This is quite cozy for Dragonspine. I'm pleasantly surprised. I gave it a try, and I actually quite enjoyed it. But Amber said the snowman I made was too... I couldn't tell if she was complimenting me or mocking me. Either way, I'm not about to let it go. Don't mind me.
Oh, pace your... It's almost ready now. Close!
Yay! Dinner's ready! Food's ready, everyone! Come on, let's eat!
I made a few dishes based on some popular Mondstadt recipes. Please, help yourselves.
Wow, smells great.
Don't wait! Don't steal all the...
Albedo, you're too modest. These dishes are as good as anything you'd find.
You made...
Right? Paimon
Actually, that...
I'm so sleepy.
Did Bennett fall asleep sitting up?
The way he's sleeping is...
He seems to be in a deep sleep.
Ugh. Oh, no, Dad. No apples for me. I want
Sticky honey roast. That's your favorite, isn't it, Amber?
Sure is. I used to take Eula to Good Hunter a lot back when we first met. Before long, she said we ordered the same thing so often that she also said that if everyone in Mondstadt ordered like we do, her job would be so much easier. All she'd have to...
Always eating together. The Traveler and Paimon always eat together.
Two people simply sharing a meal says nothing either way about the relationship between them.
That depends if it's a one-off meal or a regular occurrence.
Aha! Paimon just noticed something. Whenever Eula doesn't want to admit to something, she raises her chin or puts her hands on her hips.
You've all picked up on that. Didn't know Eula's tells were so easy to spot.
We are done here, yes? I am free to go, am I not? Then please excuse me. I have a frozen lake I need to be at.
You're going for an ice bath at this time of night? Wait up! Don't go without me!
I thought you wanted to get some sleep. So maybe you should stay here and rest.
No, I should come with you. It's late, and it's dark, and you're not good with directions like I am. Come on, let's go together.
An ice bath?
Oh, hey, Dad. I'm doing...
Wow. Bennett really is a... Okay, looks like we got some downtime now.
All right, you two. Time to paint. Have you decided what to paint?
Like you even need...
Sure. But we should move...
Okie dokie. All right.
Let's paint here.
Allow Paimon to adopt an elegant pose for your artistic reference. Hey, what's that look for? Cut the attitude and start putting your perfect Paimon down on the page. You better take this seriously, because this is going on Paimon's wall.
Confidence is a good thing. Those to whom it is endowed do well to flaunt it. I'm looking forward to the finished piece.
Alright, let's start with the head. Now, in your mind's eye, what is written on Paimon's face? Huh? Is that how Paimon really looks to you? Okay, forget it. We can come back to that. Let's move on to the body. Come on, paint what you see when you look at Paimon. Paimon's starting to feel like this is not going to turn out so great. Now Paimon's getting nervous. Let me see. Let Paimon see. What is this? Why you... How could... Paimon is lost for words. The brushwork is smooth and the composition seems professional quality. You had no problems there. So what the heck happened with the face, huh? Explain that stupid expression! Explain it!
Smooth, professional quality?
And those eyes! Those boring, lifeless eyes! Where's the soul?
Traveler? Have you previously received any education in the fine arts?
What? You pour your heart on the page and this is what comes out? Special, huh? You seriously think special is supposed to look this ugly? Paimon's not convinced. But Paimon is struggling to come up with a comeback.
Fascinating. Paimon, if this is not to your liking, I can make a few amendments. Traveler, what do you think? All right then. Paimon, is this better?
It's a total ground-up overhaul, that's what it is! It's so pretty! Is that really what Paimon looks like?
Adding flourish to the finished piece is an essential component of what makes art... art. This is not to say that you differ from the painting on a fundamental level, rather that the real you and the you in the painting present two different styles of beauty. You remain the core reference point for the painting. So, Paimon, you can put your misgivings aside and hang this painting wherever you like.
Wow! Thanks, Albedo.
Oh, I merely added a flourish here and there. You should be thanking the traveler. In truth, ground-up overhaul is more or less an accurate description.
The more Paimon looks at it, the more she likes it. Great! Paimon has a portrait painting. Paimon's gonna show this off to everyone.
It's nothing. I can paint you next time, if you'd like. You can hang it in your home as a souvenir. I rarely entertain so many guests at my camp. It's lively. A little noisy, even. But I don't dislike it. Liveliness is a rare thing here on Dragonspine.
It's a new day. Let's go meet up with everyone.
Hey, good morning!
I slept great last night. How about you guys?
I'm fine, as usual.
The path down the mountain is easier to follow in the daylight. Let's take this chance to head down to the base camp.
Let's go. If we make good time, maybe we can all get lunch together.
I flipped another insignia just outside the camp. Wrong again!
So your bad luck is all used up. We'll be down the mountain in no time.
Yeah, my thoughts exactly. Today's the day.
Oh no! Avalanche!
Look out!
Traveler, Paimon, are you all right? Are you hurt?
Paimon's fine.
That's good. My arm got a little scratched up, but it's nothing serious.
I'm okay, but I don't see the other two. I'm afraid the avalanche may have pushed them off the cliff.
They fell down? They'll be okay though, right?
I think they're both robust enough to survive the fall. But we have to get down there and rescue them. Immediately.
Okay, let's...
Hang in there, guys. Bennett!
Bennett, are you okay? Shout if you can hear me!
A voice.
Bennett, is that you?
Guys, I'm over here.
Are you alright? Are you hurt?
Thank goodness. Scared the life out of...
If you're dizzy, sit and...
It's fine, really. This kind of thing happens... Wait, where's the...
We thought he fell off the cliff.
We found Bennett here, so Albedo can't be...
Got it!
Albedo! No response. Are we definitely looking in the right... He's not here either. Let's...
Well,
Not a trick.
Nothing from me either.
Strange.
Everyone!
Albedo!
Nothing serious.
Okay, everyone accounted for.
Guys, I think it's gotta be because I'm, I guess, flipping a treasure hoarder insignia. I'm so...
Don't say that.
exactly. Besides, Dragonspine is a dangerous place. Avalanches literally come with the territory. Bad luck has nothing to do... Traveler, what's wrong?
Your face looks... Oh no, did you get hit on the head? Here.
Everyone, the incident is behind us now. We should keep moving.
Why do I feel that Dragonspine has become our top priority now?
Agreed. We've been heading in the right direction.
Victory is in sight! As soon as we get to base camp...
I hope we can all get there.
Hey, what's on your mind? Something's up, isn't it? Are you hungry? Cold? Shall Paimon hug your head to warm you up?
I don't think I've spent so much time on Dragonspine before. Eula?
Sorry, I wasn't...
I was just thinking, whenever I've met up with you at Dragonspine if it were a little warmer and...
I agree. People are put off by the cold and have an aversion to Albedo.
Yes.
I think there are several routes in this area.
I'm kinda dizzy too.
Either path will work for us. Follow me.
Wait. Bennett and Amber don't look well.
Huh?
You hit your head earlier, didn't you?
Oh, you noticed.
No problem at all! Health and safety...
Okay. Sorry for this.
Yeah. Drinking some water can help with the dizziness.
Thank you, Bennett. Seems like you real.
Well,
Bennett, weren't you feel...
Eula might come off as a little frosty, but she takes caring for her friends super seriously, more than anyone else I know. Every time I see that look on her face, I'm just like, ah, stop staring at me.
Traveler, I know what that look means. Maybe seasoned veterans, I sense it too. So, it might be imprudent to spec... Traveler, I think... you...
Albedo, what's...
It's not over yet. Brace yourselves. This'll be a challenge.
Stay back! I'm going to cut this beat down to size!
Go! Quit it!
Stop it! Check this out! Here's backup! I'm done for.
Stand clear. Absorption test.
witness the power of Guhua.
Enhanced animal module 75.
Supporting fire!
No, my sword! Let me use...
What in the world was that?
Is everyone all right?
We're fine. But can you please...
I take it this monster is whom I had the pleasure...
Correct. As you might have guessed, this...
But can what?
Not typically. But perhaps the dragon's blood seeped into the land.
How could that happen?
This mountain is home to the remains of Durin, the venomous dragon. If the Durin wasn't artificially... In other words, this mountain we stand on is...
The avalanche. It must have been...
Agreed. All the other troubles you faced on the way down could also have been its handiwork.
Right, I forgot all...
It's not in...
But what was its purpose?
I have a preliminary hypothesis. Whopper flowers are masters of mimicry. And in other words, the whopper flower likely has an instinct to replicate as a plant. It will disguise itself as another plant and infiltrate the butt.
It wanted to replace you?
Yes. Maybe it created the avalanche to get rid of us. I predicted this. It was watching us the whole time. And when it saw that I had disappeared...
Yes, that's exactly...
So when it approached and attacked Joel...
Perhaps. Or...
We're fortunate to have discovered it in time. I think the Traveler was...
Traveler. How could you tell?
I want to know too. I had no idea the other guy was an imposter.
I see. It goes to show how difficult it is to impersonate a human. this mutant wop.
Unbelievable. To think.
Anyway, at least we won in the end. It looks like my...
About. If you're referring to having fallen down the mountain and avoid.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Woohoo! I'm back! Cyrus doesn't seem to be here. He must have headed up the mountain.
Amber,
Yep, all good now.
I don't know what I'd do without you guys. If not, I really want to think...
Huh? You must be pretty used to being on...
Come on, don't... Sure, plenty of people have shown me kindness before. But that doesn't mean I will ever take it for granted. No matter how many times...
Well, instead of repaying those who helped you, perhaps you could help others yourself.
Yep, you're right. That's what I've always tried to do, and will always continue. Right. And when Cyrus gets back, I'll find some way...
this has been...
Yeah, it has.
I need to...
Yeah, I need to get some water and maybe a piece of fruit.
Well, it looks like the curse feels like an action-packed chapter as...
Why not? Then you sense something
Huh? Are you...
good. Sorry for bringing you back here one.
Is this about the...
That's right. I have to say, Traveler, I'm very... Yes.
Ooh...
Well, I, can't... So, no. Have you ever seen an intricate glass ornament and what glass blowing is not a white... As the name implies, glass blowing, this type of glassware,
Sounds...
it is a my mark. The difference, the energy of creating the alchemical...
Wow.
This mark is a... I presume that the imposter... You are fundamentally different from... Just as Paimon said. The transcendent and miraculous. People like to believe that... Or, in other words, I have friends who write...
Making up stories is...
Oh. In that case, we can base our...
Sounds great.
I understand. We'll see who's...
Deal. Okay, well...
Sure. My story. Yes, I should have known. Master's failed specimen in the dragon's belly. This is where the story truly begins. If we switched places, if you were the survivor, then as the abandoned experiment, the failure of the primordial human project, I'd want to replace you too. I would replicate your appearance, study your alchemy, and create miraculous life forms to divert your attention. I would wait for the right moment, then dispose of you and the Traveler, the sole person to have known your secret. And then, I could finally experience the joy of being brought into the world.
Lovely weather, perhaps.